Well, following the developments on healthcare for us this snowy Saturday afternoon. WTOP News Time 2:30.
Video too. No. Hello.
Hey, Kat.
Okay, Mom, it's your turn.
It's okay.
Look at me, I'm not Bunny Rabbit. Oops, forget. Bring us money if you want to see this video again. I'm gonna eat popcorn.
Okay.
Back home from my channel. Adios. Bye.
We still have video?
Yeah.
As the weather continues to move through. As we've been telling you also, Metrorail is affected. As a result, the above-ground stations are closed and not servicing them. The Metro bus system is suspended. Metro's circulator bus is also not running. Metro Access is not running either as a result of the heavy snow. We're hearing about downed tree limbs and downed power lines as a result all over Metro Washington. If you must drive, leave yourself plenty of extra time. Put your vehicle off before you get on the road, not while you're on the road. Turn your headlights on. If you're planning on doing any walking, plan to stick to the sidewalks. Yes, we know the sidewalks have not been cleared as the roads may have been, but the roads are no place to be walking because folks are trying to do their best not to slip slide all over the place, and that is just causing extra issues. Now, on the trip around the Beltway, we had a problem on the inlet of Newport, Pennsylvania Avenue stalled truck. Out of the outlet of George Washington Parkway, the stalled truck was along the right. 395 southbound, there was still the stalled truck slowing across the Occoquan and into Springfield. I'm Joe Conway, 103.5 FM at WTOP.com.
Well, I hope I'm not stealing your thunder here. So the blizzard warning is canceled, so there's that.
I just looked at that online since I was like sitting there thinking, I'm like, they got to drop the blizzard warning because the winds haven't kicked in.
How long will this snow last?
I mean, the blizzard warning, it really goes up for
no,
twofold.
this one
for visibility, and that's due to snow that's falling, and number two, reduced visibility due to snow that's blowing. We don't have the winds. I mean, now still, we have wind chills that are in the teens because of winds.
These conditions, you really got to stay home and not get out on the roads. But have you seen a lot of people out on the roads, slipping and sliding around? Has it been a greater volume of cars out there that you have with drivers and have to do the job despite this historically bad weather?
We're almost to my work. Okay, wait.
Heeded those warnings. But the simplest thing a family can do to protect themselves in the event of a fire, make sure that smoke alarm works and have an escape plan. Talk to your family and friends about it, or the visitors in your home, and make sure they know how to get out in the event of
okay, wait.
But of course, you can avoid the cold.
What about this metal? Okay. Turn it on, Mom. See your work.
But hopefully folks have the battery-operated flameless candles in the first place. But
Turn it all the way around.
if you have kids,
Oh, look at these. There's
there's just more potential to bring that. So if you just take your time, pay attention to your surroundings.
We're almost to my work.
Anybody by accident.
Thanks for the update. It's always a pleasure talking to you. There's your spokesman for DC Fire and EMS. Time now for Money News that we bring to you every half hour at 25 and 55. You know, this is supposed to be Super Saturday, the last Saturday of shopping before Christmas, usually one of the busiest
Here's my work.
retailers.
We made it, huh?
You know, this area and pretty much all of the East Coast
Maybe.
might just end up being snowy Saturday instead of Super Saturday. Retailers had been hoping for a
what's that?
They're blowing
this last weekend before Christmas. But, most malls and shopping centers snowed out because of these blizzard-like conditions that we're dealing with. More specific numbers on Monday or earlier in the later part of the week.
Okay, here's my work. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
The last weekend of holiday shopping might be
Oh, there's red
for
flags.
retailers.
Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.
acrobat, sir, who's using the total power clear snow thrower.
Okay, we heard Daddy made it, huh?
Yeah.
Good drive right there.
That's what it's drive system. Clears deep, heavy snow down the paper.
I'll pick you up later.
Toro's quick shoot
Can you turn it off
control.
now?
Yours.